In September 2020, I made $1,260 from Medium. In October 2020, this amount increased to $1,440 on Medium, and in November 2020, the amount was 1,354 US dollars on Medium. Well, hello everyone. My name is Anansha Alamyan, and as you can see from this intro, this video is going to be about how I made more than $1,000 consistently for 3 months on Medium, and how I plan to keep up this streak of earning as much money from Medium as possible. First of all, here is a brief introduction to the people who don't know what Medium is. Medium is a blogging platform started by Eve Williams in 2012. Eve Williams is also the founder of Twitter and Blogger, so you know he already has an idea of how to run a successful platform. So Medium is not like a one-time success thing. It's not like he's not a one-trick pony and it's not going to disappear down the line, because nobody asked this question about Twitter. Nobody is going to say that Twitter is a scam. So Medium is same because it's founded by the same person, and it has a very efficient team of editors and curators that work constantly 24 hours a day to make sure that the quality on the platform remains intact. So yeah, Medium was started in 2012 as a blogging platform where anyone from all over the world could share their thoughts and build a community. The biggest change to this platform came in 2017 when the Medium Partner Program was introduced. The Medium Partner Program is a great way where the writers are paid for how many minutes their articles are being read on the platform. It's like if your article is read for 1 hour, you're going to get $1. If your article is read for 500 hours, you're going to get $500 each month. And that is the basic concept behind the Medium Partner Program. And if you're wondering how you can be a member of this Medium Partner Program, I've already made a video. I'm going to link it right here about how you can join the Medium Partner Program from India and start earning money today. This video is going to be a quick breakdown about how I made more than $1,000 for 3 months on Medium. Let's start by talking about September. In September, I made around $260 from the Medium Partner Program. I also wrote 2 commission pieces to Better Humans. Both these commission pieces earned $500 each, which contributed to a huge section of my earnings. So when you combine this 500 and the 500 from these 2 Better Humans article and you add it to the earnings from the Medium Partner Program, you get my total for the month of September. The month of October was more or less the same. I wrote 2 Better Humans pieces once again and I got 500 each from both of them. Then I wrote 1 piece which was accepted to a Medium owned publication called Zora. I got $500 for that piece, and I made around $220 from the Medium Partner Program. So when you combine these 4 sources of income, 2 Better Humans pieces, 1 Zora piece, and the Partner Program stats, and you get my October total of $1,447. November was a different story. I was busy in different projects and I didn't get time to write a lot on Medium, but I had 4 stories that went semi-viral. 2 of them had more than 5,000 views and one of them had more than 10,000 views and another one had just a little bit about 1,000 views. And all these stories together earned a huge chunk of my partner program earnings, taking my total for the month of November to $854. I also wrote another commission piece in Better Humans, which was again $500. So combining these 2, the total for the month of November was $1,354. So as you can see, my earnings from Medium were not solely from the Medium Partner Program. I also wrote commission pieces and I wrote pieces for Medium owned publications. So it's not like I am depending only on views, that it's super unpredictable. I'm also writing content where people are paying me $500 to write just 1 article. And if you're wondering how that's possible, obviously it's not luck or it's not coincidence. This has come after consistent efforts. It has come after studying the platform for 2 years and writing over 300 articles. And I spent like so many hours going through all the successful stories and trying to reverse engineer them, trying to apply those tactics to my story before I finally earned some success on Medium. And this might sound a little bit strange for you because you might think that I already have an audience from Quora and that audience directly came to Medium, which was easy for me. That's not true because when I started on Medium, I had 0 followers and I built up to the 3.2k followers I have today from scratch by writing articles and by showing up every day. So it's not luck or it's not something that I had from before. It's something that I built from scratch. And if you're wondering, at the same time last year in November 2019, I made only $6 and now it's more than 10 times that amount. And I couldn't have been happier because if you are a content creator, if you are a writer, Medium is one of the best platforms on the internet to make some money. And for someone who lives in India, the exchange rate makes it easy to actually make a full time living off Medium because $1,000 is like 70,000 rupees, and 70,000 rupees is a very good salary for someone who's just starting their writing journey. And if you are wondering how exactly I made all that money, what are the secrets of my success, you can check out all the videos that I have made. I have curated all of them into a playlist. It's called Medium, All You Need to Know. You can check out these videos where I have discussed my first $100 article. I have discussed my secrets of curation. I have also had conversations with fellow successful writers on Medium about what it takes to make it big on the platform. And of course, I have discussed all the lessons that I learned by writing so much on Medium. And if you would like a personalized take, a personalized opinion on how you can make it big on Medium, I have some very, very good news for you. Last month in November, I launched my first ever Medium related course. It's called Project Medium, where I help you to earn your first $100 on Medium. If you are someone who is looking to make a full time or a part time living by writing on Medium, this could be your kickstart. This could be your best way to put your dreams to action. I have added a link in the description of how you can sign up for this program. 100% of my previous clients have earned back more than double the amount that they invested into this course. And when you sign up for this course, you are going to get more than 5 hours of exclusive video content. You're going to get some checklists and some cheat sheets to write good headings and format your articles properly on Medium. You are also going to get an access to your own private mastermind group where you will find a community of like-minded writers on Medium, and you can edit each other's work and you can learn from each other. You're also going to get the option of having at least 3 articles per month edited directly by me, and you'll also have the option of a group coaching session that happens Friday every week, and the option of one-on-one coaching sessions with me where we will brainstorm ideas about what you can write on Medium and how you can be successful and how you can get past whatever that's holding you back. And I am excited because I am only taking up 5 of you. I don't have too many slots open. So this is open only for 5 of you. So if you would like to know how you can make a living by writing on Medium, you should definitely sign up for this course. Like I said before, the link is in the description. And as always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Keep writing and stay awesome. I hope to see you in the course soon.